What is up, everyone? My name is Brianna. I'm a proud introvert. Welcome back to IntrovertTV. Welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, don't forget to go ahead and click the subscribe button. Don't forget to go ahead and check out my Instagram and my TikTok, link down below. In today's video, we are going to be unboxing and reviewing the CROCS socks. So CROCS came out with some socks back at the end of July. I picked some up. The package has been sitting here. Sad that I haven't opened it in weeks. I'm sorry that this review is getting to you guys late, but better late than never. CROCS came out with socks. I wanted to buy them, see what they're all about. So if you'd like to see what the CROCS socks are about and a little bit of information about them, then just keep on watching. So they had a few options. I purchased 2 3-packs. So I bought the CROCS Socks Adult Crew Seasonal 3-pack, and then I got the CROCS Socks Adult Quarter Graphic 3-pack. They were both $24.99, and I got the Crew Seasonal and Electric Pink, and then I got the Quarter Graphic and Electric Pink tie-dye, and I got them both in a size large. And I ordered these July 28th, and I'll put the delivery date somewhere on the screen because I have to figure out, because it's been a while. So yeah, without further ado, let's just go ahead and get started. Let's open these bad boys up. All right, so these were kind of expensive, and I just didn't want to get the basic colors because I know that there was different colors, like there was white, there was gray, black, like the packs. I wanted to get bright colors that I didn't already have in my little sock drawer. That way, because they're $24.99, and I can get the Nike socks that I love. I have so many Nike socks. I swear by Nike, especially with Crocs. Perfect combination. So I didn't want to get socks that look like my Nike socks. I wanted socks that were a little bit different if I was spending that much money on them. So let's start off with these. Oh my God, these are crazy. These are crazy. Oh my God, I love these so much. What? So these ones are the Crew socks, I'm assuming. And these ones are in electric pink. Wait, what ones are the Crew? What ones are the quarter? Okay, yeah, so these are the Crew socks, and then these ones are the quarter sock. And you get 3 pairs in each pack. Oh my God. So a little about these socks. So these are 65.3 cotton, 9.3% nylon, 13.7% polyester, 2.2% elastin. They're machine wash in 40 Celsius-104 Fahrenheit. Do not bleach or iron, tumble dry on low. Unique patterns and colors inspired by Crocs classic shoes and gibbet charms. Available in crew and quarter height, include 3 matching pairs. So that's about the socks. So let's get into these socks. I'm actually excited. It wasn't that I wasn't excited. I'm just like, okay, socks. But now that I see them, I'm like, okay, socks. Let's start off with the Crew socks first, and I got these in super fun pink color. Oh my God, these are so cute. So we have this little CROCS socks cardboard thing, whatever, and then just a size large, and these are adults, 3 pairs. Then this is the sizing here on the back if you want to pause it and look at the sizing if you're trying to figure out what size you would get. I got a large, which is a men's 9 to 13, a woman's 11 to 13.5. So yeah, that's what the large is, and I'm a woman's 10.5. Okay, so they are nice thick material. The top is super breathable. I don't know if you can tell how thin the material is on top, which is good if you're playing a sport or if you get like super sweaty. I think that would be good, nice and breathable. And then the bottom is a thicker material, so it's good for absorbing sweat. So I think that's really nice. So you have a thin material and this really cool pink design, and it just says CROCS socks going around it. So that says Crocs, and then the socks are here. And it's just really cool pattern. I love this color. Oh my God, this color is so pretty. And then just says CROCS socks. Honestly, I feel like that they don't really have to put CROCS socks everywhere. Like if it's up here, it doesn't really have to be down here. Like we get it. we know, okay? We paid $24.99. We know. We know. So anyway, so it just says Crocs socks here, and then there is nothing really on this side. This is what this pair looks like. Super pretty pair. It's like a nice mix of like purpley, like tie-dye at the top, and then the bottom goes to solid pink colors. And then we have this pair, and these are nice. So I love the line details. So these are a little bit thicker. So the top part is nice and thick. It's the same material as the bottom. So it's not that like thin material like these ones. So these are a little bit more breathable. Those look like, so I think we should try on the, crew socks on before I go to the quarter socks. So let's start off with this pair because I'm very interested to see how I like this material. I'm not too picky. Okay, I am kind of picky with socks because I don't like that like crunchy feeling on your socks. Like if you're wearing socks and then a shoe and you crunch your feet, if it makes that I hate that shit. Like no thank you. But no, these are super cute. I wear them like slouch. So these are actually really comfortable. Let's see if you guys can see. So they're actually pretty comfortable. I wear them like slouched down, so it's really nice. I actually really do like these a lot. These fit me perfectly actually. So I really do like these. I don't have a big ass foot, but this is what they look like. I actually really do like these. They're super comfortable. And I want to try this one on with the different material at the top. Let's see what this will look like. And I think these will be super fire with Crocs slides, so you can show off like the different patterns. But I would still probably wear them. I'll wear them with anything. Sneakers, like $24.99. I'm wearing this shit with everything. Sneakers, classic clogs, whatever. And then this is what these ones look like. So it honestly kind of feels the same. It feels the same. Like I can't really tell a difference off the bat between the two different materials, but this is what these ones look like. These ones are super cute. I really like them. Yeah, so let's go on to the quarter socks, and this is what the quarter socks look like. And these ones come with a multi-pack, so these ones are all different colors, and you have the same little thing that says Crocs socks here, and then size large, 3 pairs, and there is the same sizing right there. And I'm pretty sure they still have all these still available, I think. I know they have the pink pack still available. I'm not sure about the quarter pack, but so this is the quarter pack right here. These are very, very interesting. I don't have any socks like this. So like I said before, I was trying to get packs that I didn't have any socks like it because I'm not going to buy white, gray, and black socks for $25. Same thin material up at the top, and then actually this does feel a lot thinner going all the way through besides the tip of the toe. This is a nice thick material here, but the rest of it is that same like thinner material. And here we have a white and gray pair, which is actually super fire, and I actually like these the most out of all 3 of these in the quarter pack. And it's a nice white. It has the thick material up at the top, and then here we go with the freaking Crocs socks going around, which I don't like that at all. But then you have this cute little peace sign here, and yeah, so it's this thick material going all the way through for these socks. These are a thicker material, and it's definitely thick around the toe area, which is good because if you have sweaty toes, like if you're doing sports, then that's perfect. So then we have the pink ones, which these ones are cute, girly, and fun. And this is what these look like. And you just have the Crocs socks. This is also that nice thick material and the ribbing up at the top, and then it goes down. It says Crocs socks. You have little grippers, and then you have a cute little rainbow, and I think that's so cute. These are so girly, so fun. But let's just try these ones on and see. Okay, so these are thick. I feel like these are way thicker than the crew. Like it feels a little different, but these ones are so cute. I really like these. And this is what these look like here. And then you have the little rainbow right here. I know it's kind of hard to see, but my big ass foot. But yeah, so that's what those look like. I really do like the I really do like the quarter. I feel like it's not super low. These are all nice. I do like them. Do I think that they're $24.99? As of now, no. I feel like they are pretty cool, but I feel like maybe for $24.99 we should have gotten like 6 of them. But they're not anything like super special, like out of this world. As of now, I'm gonna wear them and I'll update you guys in a few weeks. But yeah, so that is today's video. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed, and I will see you, yes, you, in my next video. Bye.